Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you so much for tuning on my channel again this morning. Today is Friday and I just wanna say hello, and today's video is just like a vlog about me taking you guys just some sneak peek of our trip to North Carolina, because my boys are part of a travel team for soccer. So we traveled to North Carolina for the tournament, and then after that I think some cooking that I did in the house, and that's about it, right? So today is Wednesday. Actually, I don't know why I say it's Friday but you're gonna be seeing this video on Friday. Yes, so that means you have spent your Thanksgiving already, and I hope you had a great and amazing Thanksgiving. What are you grateful for? How was your Thanksgiving? Let me know. What did you cook? What did you not cook? How was this year Thanksgiving for you? If you celebrated Thanksgiving for whatever you're watching from, let me know in the comment section, and enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next video.
Let's go. Freedom. Freedom. What? What?
So since the parking is always hard to park, so now we are in the car trying to get some food and get ready for the second game. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying it so far, and you will see some drive, and then we'll get to the restaurant. Let's go. Freedom. Freedom. So how's everyone doing today? Today is another, I don't know if it's a vlog or a video, I don't know. I hope you're doing good. Today I'm just gonna cook a little yassa. So I just cut some onion right here, and I'm cooking some rice right here. I'm frying some chicken right here. And yeah, so I don't know how the video or the vlog is gonna go. I just want to thank you all so much for all the support and yeah, kindness. Maybe it might just be a member only video. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll see how it goes, right? So yeah, I have the baby behind me. And say hello, Nathan.
Let's go. Freedom. Freedom. What? What? What?